Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be playing with a brand new collection from MAC for their spring line. This is the Boom Boom Bloom. I had seen it leaked on the Instagram page for Trend Mood. She usually puts out all the brand new stuff that's coming out, usually with the dates, but there weren't any dates because no one really knew when it was being released. And then I was checking my email, and there was an email from MAC for Obsessed members, which means I spend way too much money at MAC. And they were giving Obsessed members the opportunity to shop the collection early. So I did. Now, I didn't buy every single item that was in the collection because there was just some items that didn't speak to me. But I'm really excited with the items that I did purchase. Now, there is a MAC Prep and Prime, the setting spray. It's cherry blossom, so I'm wondering if it smells like cherry blossom, but I'm really excited. Now let's talk about this container because just the packaging that it comes in is super cute. It's white with the pink cherry blossoms, and it just takes me back to living in Japan, and I loved cherry blossom season, which is in March-April timeframe. There's also 3 lip glosses that I got with the collection. There are 2, I think, of the 5 lipsticks that they had. I also got 1 of the 2 highlighting powders. There's also a little eyeshadow palette with 9 different colors in it. This collection is so cute. Now, I did go ahead and do everything else for my face, including prime my eyes. So now we're just ready to jump into this collection and see what we come up with. All right, so like I said, there's an eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. So all this white packaging that is on it is like an iridescent pearly pink type of color. And I don't really think that it's like showing up on camera how cute it is. Now there's 9 different colors in here. There's a couple mattes right here in the middle. There's these metallic shimmery colors on the outsides. And I'm really interested to try out like this rose gold kind of metallic. Maybe it's a little coppery, but I'm really interested to try it out and see what we come up with. I did already go ahead and set my eye primer with a different palette because there's not a light enough matte color in here to do that. So let me zoom you in and we'll start. We're gonna go ahead and go into this light matte shade and put that into the crease. For this, I'm gonna be using my JS5 from Morphe x Jeffree Star. It's blending out really nice. Next, we're gonna go into this light brown shade and put this in the outer V. Still using that same JS5. Let's take this metallic reddish pink color. I'm gonna put this into the center of the eye. For this, I'm gonna use the JS6 from the Morphe x Jeffree Star collection. See if we can put this on with the brush without having to use a spray or my finger. Nope. That color is really pretty. Now, it went on much better with my finger, as I suspected. And this actually kind of has like an orangish shift. I don't know if you can really see like how the shift is. I'm gonna go back into this matte brown shade and just kind of blend the edges a little bit. Back on the JS5. I'm gonna take this metallic champagne color and put this in the inner corner. I'm gonna take this icy white metallic shade and put this in the inner corner. I'm gonna use my Luxie 141 for this. And this is going on great. This brush is dry. I didn't spray anything on it. So that shade is working very well. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and put it in the outer V just to kind of give some depth to our look. I'm gonna go back in with this mauve brown color on the JS5 and just put that back into the crease just to blend the edges. I'm also gonna drag that mauve color underneath the eye. I'm gonna take this shade right under the brow. I'm gonna go ahead, finish off the eyes with some eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, I'm back. I have my eyeliner, my mascara on. I also was looking at the back of the eyeshadow palette, and I didn't realize there's actually a name on this. So this is the Kabuki doll eyeshadow palette, along with the cherry blossom theme. It just brings me back to Japan, and it reminds me of how much I miss cherry blossom season. Also, the price on this eyeshadow palette is $33. So when you break that down, 9 eyeshadows, $33 comes out to about $3.60. Not too bad for MAC eyeshadows. Now, there is a highlighter in this collection and it is so pretty. So this is the Loreal highlight powder. Same kind of packaging, really pretty. It has that iridescent white packaging. But then if you look at this highlighter, like it goes from light pink up to kind of like an iridescent magenta, almost like a purple shift. But I also love the cherry blossom press that's in there. Super cute. Let me grab my highlighter brush and let's get to highlighting. Oh, that just dusted off that top coat. I don't think it's really doing anything. It says it's a highlighter in 2 shade waves that features a unique cherry blossom design embossed into the powder. Final look is well polished with a sheer veil of color that blends effortlessly into the skin. I don't think that's it. And see, I usually like MAC highlighters, but this just, I mean, it's really not doing anything at all. Like, this might be more of like a blush than a highlighter, so this is actually a fail for me. I really wanted to like this. I was really excited for this. And now we're gonna find a different highlighter because right now I don't have highlighter on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in because this is actually still out. This is the Hyper Real Glow. This was one of the original ones that they released in the gold shades. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Obviously, it's gotten a lot of love. And as dark as this palette looks like it might be as far as the highlighter, it obviously, like, it shears out a little bit. It's not as dark as you think it is. That is a little bit darker than I expected. Much better. And it just kind of gives that like melted into the skin type of glow. This Hyper Real Glow I've had since it originally came out. They did release 2 new color palettes, which I want to go and get. But I mean, it's just got that highlight look that looks like your face is, you know, nice, wet, and dewy. Now for lips, I have 2 lipsticks and 3 lip glosses. Now this first one is Framboise Moi. It is just that really pretty, like, pinkish color. Let's see. That is beautiful. Like, just, and it's got that pink undertone. Then I have Wagasa Twirl. This is kind of like that mauve pink that I go for. Actually, it's kind of like a Barbie pink. It's pretty though. And then I have 3 lip glosses. So we will start with the latest shade. All right, so this first one is for the Frill of It. It's just kind of like an icy pink. This will be a really pretty lip topper. Ooh, and it's got that pink undertone. It's nice and just really pretty and juicy. This next one is Heartmelter. Ooh, this is my color mauve. And then Cherry Mochi. Oh, I miss Mochi. I actually get Mochi at Whole Foods and it is delicious. Cherry Mochi will be really pretty as a lip topper for Framboise Moi. I think I want to go in with Wagasa Twirl and use Heartmelter as a lip topper. I don't really have any pink lip liners, but I think I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pro Longwear lip pencil in the color In Control. This is one of my favorites, and I use it with probably every single one of my mauve-y lip colors. It's not even the right shade. Well, it gives it a nice ombre effect. It gives it that nice like ombre effect because it's darker on the outside, lighter on the inside. It's more pink than I expected it to be. So with that lip liner, it just kind of brought it back to the color that I would like it to be. But this, with that lip liner, yes. I will take it. So if you want to keep your lips matte, this is where I would say stop. I want to try out, and actually I'm really liking it with that highlighter right there, just that's like gold. All right, now the lip gloss in the shade Heartmelter. I just want to give it a little bit of shine. I don't want to give it that like ooey gooey gloppy. So I'm just gonna put it in the center and then let it, like, as you rub your lips together, it's gonna just kind of melt out. My only downfall is right here in these corners and then right here in the Cupid's bow. I had to fill that in just because, yeah. And now, because we need to set this, I have the MAC Prep and Prime Cherry Blossom. And then I just go in with my beauty blender and make sure I don't have any crazy drops drying down, because there's some on that big old forehead. Now, as far as this MAC Prep and Prime, if you like the scented ones that they have released, this is a good addition to your collection. It's just light, soft, and airy, and it's just kind of got that springtime feel. So this I will probably be using a lot of. I might need another bottle because that is limited edition and it smells so good. Well, you guys, that's it for this look. As far as everything that I tried out, I liked everything in the collection with the exception of the highlighter. This is really pretty in the highlighter package, but it's kind of more of like a very light blush. There wasn't really like that highlight that I was expecting. As far as everything else, I will continue to use it. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Click the bell icon next to it for notifications of new videos, which come out 3 times a week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in my next video.